Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Bacon Girl in Brookhaven. Select a female avatar and open clothing and hair options immediately. Choose a long hairstyle and pink tones for a playful base. Pick a bacon-themed outfit or combine brown and pink clothing pieces for the bacon motif. Adjust face features to be cute and animated, then add accessories like a bow or apron to complete the Bacon Girl look. Start with hair and face details to set the Bacon Girl vibe quickly. Choose a long wavy hairstyle and pick pink or warm brown highlights for contrast. Adjust the eyes to be expressive and slightly larger for a charming look. Add gentle blush and a coordinating lip color to keep the palette cohesive. Small face paint or freckles can add personality without overpowering the bacon-themed outfit. Focus on outfit layering and accessories to sell the Bacon Girl concept easily. Start with a brown dress or top and layer pink pieces to simulate bacon stripes. Add an apron, bow, or novelty pins for a playful touch that ties the theme together. Use shoes and socks that match the palette and consider small props to complete the look. Finally, refine colors until the overall appearance feels cohesive and fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.